Hi, baby girl. Here's Daddy. Daddy's here. Yeah. We're getting hungry again, aren't you, kiddo?
Good, I need a baby. I've been working hard here being awake. I've been working hard here being awake. Yes. I've been working hard here being awake. I've been working hard here being awake. I've been working hard here being awake. Ooh, you smell like baby. I love that smell. Yep, she wants something to eat. She's sucking on my arm.
Do a little bit, just like Mama said. Get that from her feet.
Yeah, I want something. Oh, yeah. Mama's getting ready. Mommy be here shortly. Oh, yeah. Huh?
Here's your baby, little girl.
There's a little smile. Nope, grimace. Because no, there's not anything coming out of there. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Hmm? Who lost it? She said, I want something to eat. I want something to eat.
Hey.
She said, I want something to eat.
Hey.
She said, where's my mommy?
Mommy's getting ready. You gotta wait a little bit.
Uh-oh. She's gonna make you wait? It's
Just ate right before you walk in the door.
You're gonna make me wait? Babies don't wait. She said, babies don't wait. Because I've been doing a lot of wait time here.
You've been awake all day and night.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Should we go?
You've been awake all day and
Should we go see if there's a diaper that needs to be changed? Let's go see if there's a diaper that needs to be changed. She goes, forget the diaper, give me some. Oh, where'd your booties go?
She is in there somewhere.
They're in there somewhere.
Don't change me, Grandma.
Don't do it, don't do it. She says, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, you got a wet diaper.
There's a wipe on it.
He's a little tush. Oh, they're warm too. See, I'm not used to nothing down here. I'm not used to nothing down here. I'm not used to nothing down here. This is a whole different ball game. Oh my goodness. Good job. Good lung exercising. Yes. Good lung exercising. Oh.
There you go. You made it.
Easy. We don't know where the other. She's mad now. She's mad now. He's one ticked off little baby now.
Hey, baby. Hey, Skylar. Hey, Skylar. Hey, Skylar, man. Hey, Skylar, man.
Somebody wants mommy. Somebody wants mommy. She's sucking on her. Says I need something to suck on. Oh, she smells good. He's sucking on her shirt.
Hey, Skylar.
Because I just gotta suck on something.
Hey, beautiful. Hi, my precious little baby. You dig it in.
Leave me alone.
Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so adorable. Yeah. He wants to know why. She presses her brows together to turn on white, but she gets mad. She's mad, she's mad.
She's mad because I need to eat. Yes, I'm not getting anything out of this shirt.
Come here, baby. Let's go eat.
Let's go to Mama.
Come here, kiddo. Your shirt. You always get all messed up in your shirt. Hush. Hush. Hush.
Okay. This is the only thing that mommy can do and nobody else. Getting close. Okay,
I'm
Mom.
gonna leave that on until we get to her. She'll pee all over. She pees like a little boy.
Just remember, it's not me, Skylar.
You wanna do it?
Yes.
Let you enjoy your moment. I'll have plenty.
Oh, yes, we gotta get all those little wrinkles. Yes, we gotta get all those little wrinkles. Yes, all those little wrinkles.
Just have to put just water on her face, not soap.
Okay. All those little wrinkles. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's rinse her off.
Get that off her face. I don't know why they have to do it like that. Oh. Oh. You're gonna eat it.
Ew. She said, that tastes icky. Oh, she's not happy now. She's not happy now. Yes. Yes. Oh.
We're so mean to Skylar.
We're so mean. We're so mean to Miss Skylar. We're so mean to Miss Skylar.
Watch her belly button.
Oh, yeah. Oh, especially back there. Oh, she's got the strawberry like Jamal did.
You have that too?
Yeah.
Me and my brother and Danielle have it too.
Just like your daddy.
Well, you were just gonna have to get that then.
Yeah.
No way around that.
Yeah. Doesn't Jamal still have it?
And that's the neck right there. I
All right.
Sounds like belly button.
Oh, yeah. Now let's, oh, there goes
Oh, there goes
the, there it goes. Now we gotta do the toes. Now we gotta do the toes. Now we gotta do the toes. Oh, yeah.
don't know it, darling. I'm sorry.
But you're gonna feel so good after this. And Mommy promises that you can eat after you're done. Yes. Yes. And Mommy said she can eat. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. There we go. Get that little poopies off. Get that little poopies off. Alright. Alright. She says, I've had enough of this. I've had enough of this. Gotta get all those little wrinkles. Oh my goodness. We're going to do the hair. We're going to let that go.
What do you want her
I'll hold
to do? She
her.
needs her hair washed.
I'll hold her.
She likes her hair washed. Let me put that towel around her. The little one. The little one down.
Done.
There it is. Yeah.
Yeah. chilly.
Man,
Ooh.
she's cold.
Ooh.
Did you see the video when she was born? She screams her head off when she's in her bath, and then you do her hair and she was quiet.
It's like, ooh.
And they combed her head, didn't they? They combed her head.
That's it. It feels so good. Oh, mommy, that feels good. Oh, mommy, that feels
Arms
good.
in there.
Oh, mommy, that feels good.
You got such a pretty round head.
She does. She's got a really nicely formed head.
We're gonna get you all fixed up. Squirmy wormy. Signing up his fingers. Don't call yourself. I can't cut him. It's doing another I think I cut Danielle's. I don't think I ever listened to that. They probably didn't have that
Here you go. Here you go.
Now into the dressing room.
Into the dressing room. Into the dressing room. Look at the little ducky. Look at the little ducky. Look at the little ducky. Next month you'll be smiling.
Oh, big
Oh
yawn.
my, you put everything into those yawns, don't you? You
Look
put
at those faces.
you put everything into those yawns. Oh, oh, oh,
The tree.
oh.
Right.
Her eyes are crossing.
She's your proud daddy.
Yeah.
Look at that happy baby. He's such a happy
Oh,
baby.
there's that big yawn again.
Hey kiddo. Hey kiddo. Listen, she was playing like this last night. Wow. Wow.
She's talking.
Yeah.
She's trying to say something to you.
Hey. Hello. Hello.
That's her pirate look. One eye closed and one eye open. Shiver me timbers.
But I got all these things. I don't know quite how to work them yet.
Yeah, everything's moving at once here.
One eye's closed, tongue sticking out, one arm's up, one leg's out. But she's smiling. Hey, baby.
What is that? What is
Hey,
that?
baby.
What is that? What is that?
Hey, baby. Hey, Skyler.
She goes, oh, she's watching. Oh,
Hey,
here's
Skyler.
Daddy again. What is Daddy doing? Oh, is that yawn again?
Oh, my goodness.
Goodness, man. She can open that mouth.
You're so cute.
She does a good job with that yawn.
Those eyes just...
Trying to focus on something.
Hi, Skyler.
Look at that. Look at how she looks up at you.
Hi,
Look at Daddy.
Hi, Skyler.
Look at Daddy. Look at that.
Hi, Skyler. Skyler May.
Yeah, look up at you.
Yes, your proud puppy.
Look. She looks up at you.
Hi, Skyler. Yeah.
Let's do that again, Daddy. Do that again.
Hey, Skyler. Hi, Skyler.
See that again. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, what was
What?
that? That was kind of like a belch, maybe.
And just after she played like this last night, all of a sudden you start hearing this grip, grip. And she had a full diaper.
I think she might have a full diaper now.
That's a good baby. You just keep on doing that.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi, Skylar. Hey, Skylar. Hi, Skylar. Hi, Skylar. Hi, baby. Hi, precious. Here you go. Hi, Skylar.
She just stands goes all still when you do that. There, Daddy.
Hey, baby. Mm. Oh. Well, you're just wide awake, you little munchkin.
Yeah.
Hi, Skylar. Hi, Skylar.